Alright team, today we're covering how to use a breakout box. For this demo, we're using a Cummins CM2880 ECU. Here's the box itself, with clearly labeled pin numbers. We also have the corresponding ECU breakout cables. We'll connect it following this standard mapping. Red, positive power, black, ground negative, yellow, can high green, can low, additional red, ignition key on signal. For the wiring diagram, open the X5 software. You'll find a high-definition schematic in the ECU programming section. Now, let's walk through the actual connection process. Pin 1 is positive. Connect the red wire here. Pin 2 is ground. Connect the black wire. Pin 84 is can high. Connect the yellow wire. Pin 62 is can low. Connect the green wire. Pin 15 is the ignition signal. Connect the last red wire here. So, by following the pin labels on the breakout box, you'll plug each cable into its correct port. Notice the breakout box plugs have accessible ports, which allow us to create bridges or test circuits easily. And that's it, the breakout box is now properly set up and ready.